everyone, how are you today? Well, today we are talking about bumblebees. The bees are starting to come out, and the bees are really good for us because they help the plants grow. And bees won't bother you unless you anger them, so you don't have to be scared of bees. Let's start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 buzzing bumblebees flying round the hive. 1 buzzes off, and then that leaves 5. 5 buzzing bumblebees flying near my door. 1 buzzes off, and then there are 4. 4 buzzing bumblebees flying round a tree. 1 buzzes off, and then there are 3. 3 buzzing bumblebees in the sky so blue. 1 buzzes off, and then there are 2. 2 buzzing bumblebees flying by the sun. 1 buzzes off, and then there is 1. 1 buzzing bumblebee looking for some fun. It buzzes off, and then there are none. But if we want them to come back, 1 little bumblebee flew and flew and flew. He met a friend, and that made 2. 2 little bumblebees, busy as could be. Along came another, and that made 3. 3 little bumblebees wanted 1 more, found 1 soon, and that made 4. 4 little bumblebees going to the hive spied their brother, and that made 5. 5 little bumblebees working every hour buzz away bumblebees and find another flower. And so today we're going to make a bumblebee using the letter B for bumblebee. And I've got a nice bright yellow bee, and all we need to do is cut some strips of black to make it look like a bumblebee. And you can pick this up at the library, and the poems too, so that you can practice them at home. And so with a glue stick, I can just put some strips of black to make my bumblebee. Bumblebees are good insects. So we can just keep putting strips of black on here with our glue or our glue stick. And just keep going. Strips of glue. Oh. My glue stick's getting a little bit old. There we go. Glue sticks. Because bumblebee starts with the letter B. I'm bringing home my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home my baby bumblebee. Ooh, it stung me. I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Ew, it's all over me. I'm licking up my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm licking up my baby bumblebee. Ooh, my tummy. I'm spitting out my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm spitting out my baby bumblebee. Ooh, now I'm going home. Okay, and so I've got all my strips glued on, and I'm going to cut out my letter B because the B looks so much like a bumblebee. Well, might need some help getting these little pieces cut out. So we have our letter B. And you could even ask an adult to help you make some wings for your bee. To make it look more like a bee. But this is a good exercise for practicing the letter B for bumblebee. And there we have our letter B. And we could add a head and some wings if we wanted to. So if you want to come into the library and get a letter B and some black paper, you could. Or you can just do that at home on your own. I hope you have a great day. Have a good day. Bye.